The year is 2025 and you are a design professional. How do you stay ahead of the curve? The answer is simple. You unlock the power of Canva AI, designed smarter, not harder. Canva is more than just a design tool. It's your secret weapon to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. With the incredible advancements in AI technology, Canva has become the go-to platform for designers and non-designers alike. And the best part, it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right, free. So what exactly is Canva and why should you care? Well, Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals for various purposes, from social media posts to presentations and everything in between. What sets Canva apart is its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates and elements. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie, Canva provides a plethora of tools to help you craft eye-catching designs with ease. In this fast-paced world, time is of the essence. Canva understands that, and that's why it offers a plethora of pre-designed templates for various occasions. With just a few clicks, you can have a professional-looking poster, presentation, or social media post without spending hours on it. It's like having a personal assistant who specializes in design. But wait, there's more. Canva's AI features are here to blow your mind. You can now generate images from scratch using powerful prompts. Need a logo? No problem. Let's type in the prompt. Want a unique illustration? Canva AI has got you covered. The possibilities are truly endless. Now let's talk about collaboration. Working with others shouldn't be a hassle, and Canva makes it seamless. You can easily share your designs with colleagues, clients, or friends, and they can contribute their thoughts right on the canvas. Say goodbye to back and forth emails with design revisions. Canva keeps everyone in the loop. As a design professional, you need to stay organized. Canva's storage solutions will keep your designs safe and sound. You can save your progress, download your masterpieces, and access them anytime, anywhere. No more worrying about losing your design work. And the best part, Canva's free plan offers most of these amazing features. Yes, you heard that right? Free. There's no reason not to give it a try. So what are you waiting for? Unlock the power of Canva AI and join the design revolution. Create, collaborate, and conquer the design world in 2025 and beyond. Remember, design smarter, not harder. Canva is your trusted companion in that journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it valuable, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. We would love to have you back for more insightful content. Until then, take care and goodbye.